Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world are observing Indian Republic Day today as Black Day in protest against India's continued denial of Kashmiris' right to self-determination. Meanwhile, stringent measures in the name of security have been taken on India Republic Day today, bringing more miseries to the already oppressed people in the occupied Kashmir. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders have said that India has no right to celebrate its Republic Day in the territory. APHC leaders Syed Bashir Andrabi and Khwaja Firdaus in their joint statement issued in Srinagar said that the people of Kashmir are observing India's Republic Day as Black Day, and due to India's rigid stance, the Kashmir dispute is still unresolved. Indian Central Reserve Police Force Sub-Inspector Pyarelal Yadav, who was ill at KP Colony of Kulgam district, suffered a cardiac arrest. He was rushed to hospital where he was declared dead on arrival. Meanwhile, a policeman Kamardeen died due to cardiac arrest in Poonch district. Posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the territory today calling for observing the Indian Republic Day today as Black Day. The posters displayed by Jammu Kashmir Liberation Alliance were pasted on walls, pillars and electricity poles in Srinagar and other areas of the territory. The posters with the slogans like Kashmir is bleeding and 26 January Black Day for Kashmir have appealed to the world powers to stop India from its state terrorism in the occupied Kashmir. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti in a Twitter message said, while the rest of the India is celebrating Republic Day as a holiday today, shopkeepers in Kashmir have been ordered to keep their shops open or face the consequences. Former convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, has said that the so-called Republic Day of India is rightly characterized as the dark period of India, and the people of Kashmir are castigating it as Black Day. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter staged a protest in front of the Indian High Commission in Islamabad today to mark India's Republic Day as Black Day. Speakers on the occasion said democracy is the name of respect for public opinion, but India has never respected the community sentiment. India has no right to celebrate its Republic Day as it has occupied the territory against the will of the Kashmiri people. In an embarrassment to India, Pakistani intelligence agencies have thwarted a possible Indian false flag operation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on the country's Republic Day on 26 January today. Operation was planned in the Poonch district, which could have been executed through the Indian Army and police. The intelligence agencies have also exposed the key facilitators, one of whom Bashir is associated with the 93 Infantry Division and Alam and Aslam as his companions.